Bella, who are you talking to?
Casper. Who are you talking to? Casper?
What's this, Dada?
Oh, get out of there.
Hey.
Get out of there.
Go shopping.
Yeah, it's very heavy.
No touch.
Don't touch, Belle. That's heavy. Yeah. She's moving the whole bag. It's like 50 pounds.
Okay, Bella, come on. Come on, Bella.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Go, you like...
Okay, all right, we're on our way to Kidzuna at the Venice Canal Mall to let Bella and Akito play over there before we do a little bit of shopping. So we hopped in a 6-seater Grab. We're heading from the Hyatt Regency Manila over to the Venice Canal Mall, and after we go by there, we're gonna go swing over to BGC, do a little shopping. We got about 2 more days left here in Manila before we go to Tokyo, so cruising around and doing a little shopping. Stay tuned to see what Angelica buys and if she can carry it all the way back to the hotel room. If you want it, you will carry it. All right. Yeah, well, we'll see what's changed. All right, here we go. On to Venice Canal Mall. Okay, we just arrived at the Venice Canal Mall. We got the whole team with us here. Yeah, it's kind of like a Halloween, huh? All right, we're over here. We're gonna go check it out, take them over to the kids area, and look, they got a lot of good stuff to eat here too. Let's check it on out. All right, so Angelica got the strawberries on a stick there. I got the combination here, strawberries, grapes, and oranges. We're not sure what's on this, but it's probably all sugar, so it tastes delicious. We're gonna chomp it down. Bella's over here in the Kidzuna with Akio playing in the ball pits and everything. So we're gonna have a little snack here, and then we'll swap with Karen for watching Bella. Okay, we made it to the Texas Roadhouse. Bella had about 15 rolls. Angelica's got a half-gallon orange juice over there with her burger. We got burgers and fries. Yummy! Oh yeah. Burger over here. We'll get fueled up so we can do some more shopping.
Nike's, baby.
Nike store next. All right. Okay, we just touched down in BGC. All right. We have to go to the Nike store over here, see what they got for some Filipino gear. Pretty busy down here, lots of motorcycles swerving in and out of traffic per the Filipino norm. No turn signals needed. We have to go see what they got in the Nike store here and then shop around. We'll let you know once we find a couple good things.
It's really hot here.
It's
Please
really
bring
hot.
your fan.
Bring your fan and charge it.
Yes, mine died.
We got a big line going over here. All right, we're looking for some Filipino branded Nike gear. Hopefully we can find some. Hopefully I went to the right place. Okay, Nike at the Fort does not carry anything that says Philippines on a Nike shirt unless they screen print one for you, which we weren't gonna try for, so heading out of there and on to the next spot. Let's see what else we can find down here. This fine 90-degree, 60% humidity evening with I got my white boy fan here blasting me in the face. All right, here we go. Baby strollers, no stop signs. We got you on video, sir, if you run us over. We're from the land of lawyers. Thank you. They do crosswalks a little different here.
Life is everything goes for some people and nothing goes for other people. So man, I live free, nothing there. Nah, go on. Yeah. Choo. Money walk back. Shemi dak back. Some say I go back ladder, body there for backyard. Money walk back. Shemi dak back. Some say I go back ladder, body there for backyard. Set in your mondoma. Yeah. What's in my bed to your mondoma?
All right. Been walking around down here looking for some other spots to check out. I think we're gonna take a look over here at the Adidas store and see what they've got. I tell you what, BGC is really nice. Kind of like the Bellevue of Manila. Everything's upscale, brand new, really nice buildings. Everything's clean down here, so we'll keep shopping around and check it out.
Them CD writing and dodge. Say anything goes, even Maria top. Set in your mondoma. What's in my bed to your mondoma? See me rolling out of mondoma. Set in your
Bella, you like this one? It's a fuggler. What's he got there? Is it teeth? You need to brush his teeth, huh? You need to brush his teeth? Alright, well, we did our shopping here at BGC. Didn't find anything really that great. We were looking for some Manila Nike gear or something that let everybody know that we were here. Couldn't find really much of that. Made a couple stops, got some good mango desserts. About to head back to the hotel, eat some dessert, get some rest, and call it a night. See what tomorrow has in store for us. Belle. Bella, where are you at? Where are you at? Belle, where are you at? Philippines? Okay. No? You gonna stay in Manila?
Yes.
All right. Kids definitely had a fun time here. Great food, swimming pools, all kinds of stuff for them to do. Been really hot and humid though, so be ready for that. Lucked out with some cloud cover here this afternoon in the pool here. It's not too bad. Up 90 degrees and humid. Okay, we're here at the Crystal Tiger restaurant, the fanciest one in the whole hotel, and we're the only people that brought a baby here. So it must be good, because it's very quiet. Wait till the food gets here. We're out here for our last day at the Hyatt Regency City of Dreams Manila. Tomorrow morning we leave for the airport about 3:30 in the morning for our 8 a.m. flight to Tokyo. We're going to spend about a week over there in Japan, so we're pretty excited about that. So we're out here for our last day at the City of Dreams. Took the kids to the pool here. Probably going to go get a nice meal, spend the last day with Karen's family here. They'll have to take off this afternoon. Since we're leaving so early in the morning, so kind of taking it easy here. All in all, it's been a great hotel experience. Really clean, great air conditioning, climate control in your room that works, which is nice. The buffet breakfast, we included it in our booking.com reservation for a really good price. I think the standard price here is about $20. We paid more like $6 per person. And yeah, all in all, it's really great. 5-star hotel for sure. The level of service here is way better than anything we've experienced, even in the U.S., especially for the price point. Karen and I each got an hour-and-a-half massage with 2 masseuses for under $120. So that was a lot cheaper than it would have been in the States as well. You could get a single masseuse hour-and-a-half massage for roughly about $60 over there. So yeah, great hotel, lots of amenities. If you gamble, there's a huge casino, there's kids activities, tons of restaurants. Just do be aware that they don't let you bring outside food and drink. My wife does have a dietary restriction. She was able to register that with the front desk, and then they did allow us to bring in some food, but only with that permission. So if that fits you, you should make sure you declare that ahead of time with your reservation to get that set up so that there's no issues, because there's a lot of security at the front door. And anytime they see food coming in, it's usually an immediate denial, so you have to make sure you're registered to take advantage of that. So we had a great time here. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and we will see you tomorrow as we head over to Tokyo. See ya.
No more na. Oh, ulitin mo, Mi. Hindi na natin ulit ko magtakip. Ulitin mo. Ulitin mo, Mi. Ulitin mo magtakip. Ay, Mi, ligo. Kunin mo na dahil.
Oh, kiss Lola.
Kiss Lola. Parang ayaw na. Parang na may lumalabas ng ngipin. Kiss Lola.
Where's the teeth?
Tinakpan na niya mata. Ngipin. No more now.
No more na.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ben.